everyone, it's me Mukil again. It's been a long time since I put an experiment video. Can a paperclip float on water? Well, you know the answer, no. Today we're gonna make a paperclip float on the water. This is our experiment today. Keep watching this video. Alright, welcome to my experiment lab. To do this experiment, we need tissue paper, a stirrer, 2 paper clips, and a glass of water. Alright, I'll put one paper clip in the water. Oops, it sank. Okay, let's try another one. Oops, it sank again. That's expected because of the paper clip weighs more than the water. Let's put the paper clip on top of the tissue paper, then put it on the water slowly, then slowly squeeze out the tissue paper and take it out. Still the paper clip is floating. Let's try to touch the water and see. See, even now it's floating. Alright, you saw the experiment. It's study time. This concept is because of surface tension made by water molecules. They are tied together and they make a thin layer. With the same technique, water spiders and grasshoppers can walk on water. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my